Blackie having a few bites. She just had her wet food about 45 minutes ago. Right, you're hungry, Mommy. She's hungry because look at what we have here. A little smorgasbord of sleepers. Yep, everybody's all tuckered out. Sound asleep. Yeah. Everybody's dreaming. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, baby's all the way back. Yeah. Look at that, huh, Mommy? How'd you get everyone to sleep so good, huh? Good girl. You're so smart. Yeah. You're such a smart mommy. Good girl. Isn't Blackie just amazing, everybody? Yeah. You're my mommy. Yeah. Those your babies? Okay. Taking a quick peek. Yeah. How are they doing? I think they're okay. Are you on lookout patrol? Yeah. We're letting the babies sleep. Yeah. They're all sleeping. What's this guy doing right here? And the guy in front of him, right here. He's got some nice deep breaths. Everybody's got their choppers out. Good girl, Mommy. Good girl. What we got for faces back there? Everybody's all in a ball. They're all tucked in. Beautiful night. Let's find Mommy. Yeah.